Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream ice cream. Start with the foundational elements for a rich, creamy ice cream. You'll need about 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and 4 large egg yolks. Having your ice cream maker bowl chilled for at least 24 hours is crucial for optimal results. Also, prepare an ice bath to rapidly cool your custard base, which prevents bacterial growth and ensures a smooth texture. Now, let's create that luscious custard base. In a bowl, whisk your 4 egg yolks with half of the granulated sugar until they are pale yellow and slightly thickened. Gently heat the heavy cream, whole milk, and the rest of the sugar in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour about 1 cup of the hot cream mixture into the egg yolks while whisking constantly to temper them. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. After cooking, immediately strain your warm custard into a clean bowl set over an ice bath. This rapid cooling is vital for food safety and achieving a smooth texture. Once cooled, cover the custard and refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. When it's thoroughly chilled, pour the mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes until it resembles soft-serve ice cream. Once your ice cream maker has done its work, transfer the soft-serve consistency ice cream into a freezer-safe airtight container. This helps prevent ice crystals from forming. Place it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it's firm enough to scoop. For the best experience, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Then, scoop and savor your delicious, homemade cream ice cream.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.